Do you like science? If yes, then you are definitely going to like this video. Hello friends, I am Sneha and today I am going to show you something related to science. So let us start. So the thing that we have today is a science kit. This is a science kit and it has 120 experiments in it that we can do from the materials provided in this box. So let us see what is there in it. So this is the science kit. Here we have two books, two instruction manuals. We can do experiments from using home materials, and the second one is an instruction manual. Now let us see what else are there. This is a baking soda. This is a vinegar. And these are glycerin flakes. And this is a glow powder, a rose food essence, a blue food color, a red food color, a yellow food color, and a mango food essence. And there are 3 more boxes. One is citric acid. This is cornstarch, and this is crystal powder. Now there is another box here. It is written the toolkit. Now let us see what is inside it. See, here are some science equipments. Let us see what are these. These are 3 cups. And this is a test tube. This is a spatula. This is a measuring cylinder. These are 2 stirring sticks. These are soap molds. This is a flask. This is a funnel. And here one more thing. This is a tray. First of all, let us pack this and then I will do the first experiment. Now let us see this instruction manual. So the first experiment here is the magic volcano. So let us see what are the things that we need here. In equipment, we need a conical flask. We have it. And a spatula. And measuring cylinder. And stirring stick. And materials from the kit, we need baking soda, a citric acid, and a food color. Now let us do it. What are the instructions? Take a measuring cylinder and fill it with water. We have to take a measuring cylinder and fill it with water. We have water here. And then add 2 drops of red color. Mix well using the stirring stick. Now we have to add 2 drops of red food color. And then we have to stir it using the stirring stick. We have the water here, and now we have to take the conical flask. Here and add 2 scoops of citric acid. Now we have to take citric acid and add 2 scoops of it. 1 scoop, and this is the second one. Now we have to add 2 scoops of baking soda to it. 2 scoops of baking soda. One scoop, and the second one. Now we have to shake the flask so it mixes well. We have to shake it well. And now we have to pour the water from the measuring cylinder into the flask. Now the magic volcano will take place. Do you know why did this happen? This happened because when the citric acid and baking soda are both mixed in water, a chemical reaction takes place. The fizz that we saw now are the bubbles of carbon dioxide. Time for our next experiment. So our next experiment is glowing test tube. So for this, the equipments that we are going to use are a test tube, we have it here, and a measuring cylinder, here we have it, and a spatula, a stirring stick. And from the kit, we need a glow powder. And some water. Now let us read the instructions. Fill the test tube with water. We have to fill it with water. Next, carefully take half a scoop of glow powder using the spatula. Now we have to take half scoop of glow powder. So here we have half scoop of glowing powder. Now we have to mix it. Mix the contents of the test tube using a stirring stick. We have to mix it well. Now take the test tube into a dark room and observe what do you see. Now let us take it to a dark room. Here you can see it. It is glowing. See friends. Moving to our next experiment, it is making oobleck. So for this, we would need in equipments 1 cup. Here we have, and the measuring cylinder and a spatula. And from the kit we need food colors. We have blue and red, and cornstarch. And let us see the instructions. Add 7 to 8 scoops of cornstarch to the cup. In the cup we have to add 7 to 8 scoops of cornstarch. Let us add. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we have added 8 scoops of cornstarch in the cup. Now Add 5 ml water to the cup. Then add 2 drops of blue color and 2 drops of yellow color to the cup. Now we have to add 5 ml water. Here we have 5 ml water. We have to add here. Here we have changed red color into yellow color. So here we have to use yellow color. 2 drops of yellow color. 1, 2. And now we have to add 2 drops of blue color. One, 2. Now mix well till the water is completely mixed. Now we have to mix it well till the water is completely mixed. It feels hard. Now here it is written, try tilting the cup. The mixture should flow like water, but when you tap it with the spatula, it would feel like a solid. Now let us do it. We have to tilt it. There is nothing, just water. Here let us slowly see. This is completely liquid. Now we have to tap it hard. Let us see. Yeah, it feels like solid. Inside it feels like solid. But when we see, there is nothing solid in it. There is no solid in it. Now let us see. We have nothing, but now if we tap it, then it would turn solid. See. But if we do it very slowly, then it is just liquid. See.